Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Audi A5 2.0T Quattro Premium Plus. This two-door convertible has a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and a 8-speed shiftable transmission. This Audi has less than 64,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.